Hi. So in previous session, we were doing Revit plumbing modeling of ground floor soil line. Okay. Now we have to proceed with the waste line. Means I'll be placing wash basin floor trap. Accordingly, I'll be doing the routing in ground level, first floor as well. And ground level, I'll be taking the drain connection or the waste connection through the raised floor only. In first floor, just below, means between ground floor ceiling level and first floor, I'll be taking it. So when we are making, that is called, normally when we are making those kind of drawings, we used to call that as ground floor low level drawing and ground floor high level drawing. So through ground floor high level only, the first floor connections will come. So the type of floor trap that we are using in ground floor and first floor come different. The height of a floor trap will be slightly more in first floor since it is coming below the slab. Anyhow, let me load the wash basin and the floor trap. Quickly, I'll be doing the routing for ground floor now. The connection I'll be taking through the raised floor. So first we have to load the family. I have already loaded my wash basin family. So that's why I can go to the plumbing fixture, I can take it. You are loading it. You can go to the family. From the family, where you are saving it, you can select, say, plumbing, MEP. Then you can select fixtures. Okay, lavatory. From the lavatory, you can select wall mounted lavatory. You can select it. Okay, I have already loaded it. So that's why I'm just going to the plumbing fixture, lavatory, I'm selecting this one. Okay, the mounting height with respect to the reference level is 865 to 900. With respect to the standards, it may vary, but 865 to 900 is the common. So I'm not changing the sill height. Means elevation from the reference level, 865. Means with respect to the finished floor level to the counter, top side of wash basin is like 865. And it's not placed on vertical face, you can select. Okay, select the first. And after that, I'll be placing 2 number here. And then I'll be providing like this. Say different routes we can try there. Okay, so now we can align to the nearest wall. It is not mandatory to align to the nearest wall, but if you are aligning, that will be good. Okay, so let me align it. Here also I'll be aligning. Fine. And after aligning this wash basin, I'll be loading the floor trap and I will be placing the floor trap somewhere in the corner. Okay, just let me load the floor trap. So just go to the system. Okay, plumbing fixtures. I have already taken my floor trap, this one. Okay, this is a floor trap that we have created the family since we were not getting the proper family. So the floor trap is having 3 inlet and 1 outlet. Inlet diameter is 2 inches, outlet diameter is 3 inches. After loading it, if you want to rotate it, you can click the space bar. Okay, I'll be clicking the space bar. Exactly on ground floor toilet finished floor level, somewhere here I'll be placing it. See, since we are planning to provide the slope, no? So that's why through the rise to floor, how we can make it. And also I'm planning to provide a trap there. If you're having a bottle trap, you can provide bottle trap, or if you're planning to provide a P trap you can provide for wash basin. Anyway, let me provide a underground pipe for this one. Create similar. I'll be selecting a 3-inch pipe in outside. A 3-inch pipe, let's say, take it. And with respect to the ground level, I need 300 mm below. From the ground level, 300 mm below. But as you know, the toilet finished floor level is 300 mm above the ground level only. So from ground floor level to ground floor, toilet finished floor level to ground floor, that is 300. From there to below, again 300. 300 to 350. Okay. So overall, how much you need? 600. Correct. So I'll be providing the offset of minus 600. And after that, I'll be providing 1% slope down only. Let me make a pipe from here. I'll be routing this side. Okay. This one we can change later. Okay. So when you are going to the north elevation, you can witness it where the pipe is going. Correct. This is our pipe. Fine. Now we have to connect it there. First, we have to provide the trap for this one. Okay. Trap for. So let me make a section there. One section I'm making there. Automatic routing, perfect slope control, we are not going to get it. So I'll be selecting this. Make it fine. Okay. And let me load the trap. Actually, I have already loaded my trap under the pipe fittings. You can find that. You can go to the system under the pipe fittings. The trap I have already loaded. But if you're not getting the trap, you have to load it from the family. You can go to the lot family under the pipe session. Okay. You can go to the family, pipe session. From the pipe session fittings, fittings of PVC, schedule 40 socket type, and DWV from you can find trap. Here you can see M trap P. This one you can load it. But this is 40 mm in diameter. I have placed it. Anyhow, I have already loaded. That's why I have placed it. But wash basin outlet you can find that is 32 only. If you want, you can change it. When you are selecting your wash basin, you can go to the edit type. Okay. From here, the sanitary diameter you can change. Instead of 32, if you want to make it a 40 or 50, it may vary. As you know, as per IP's International Plumbing Code, the minimum inlet outlet diameter of this wash basin is 1 into 1 by 4 inch, means 32 mm. But with respect to the manufacturer, 40 mm can come, 50 can come. So in if you want to make even the outlet diameter of a wash basin, if you want to make instead of 32, if you want to make it like 50, you can do now. Because even if we are using 32, before connecting to the floor trap, we have to convert that into 50. Then only we can connect it. Okay. So that's why in the starting itself, if you want to make instead of 32, if you want to make it 50, you can do that. Okay. But I'm just using the same 32. So the floor trap, this one, P-trap also, I need 32 mm. And a small pipe I'll be making from there. The pipe material should be DWV. Place it there. And let me rotate it. I'll be rotating it like this with a 90 degree. And I'll be dragging and I'll be placing it here. Okay. And a small pipe I am making it. Why? Just for alignment purpose. I'm just, okay, this side has aligned. I'm just going to the face of this wash basin. I'm making a section here as well. Okay. And also this also has to be aligned. So if that floor trap is not visible in this view, you can go to the fine section and you can make it realistic or wireframe. You can see that. See, if you fed up with this levels and all when you are doing the modeling, what you can do, you can go to the visibility graphics under the annotation category. The levels we can uncheck for time being. Later you can activate that. Okay. See this one. Correct. Okay. So let me align it. And from this one. And this one I have aligned. Now we can connect it. You can go to this view or you can go to the side view, connect it. Okay. Now the outlet from the wash basin, the connection has to go to the nearest wall. Through the wall, it has to go to the floor. From the floor, it will be connecting to the floor trap, right? So I'll be selecting here. Drop pipe. Since it is a horizontal pipe, we have to provide slope there. What slope? Pipe diameter less than 2.5 inch. This is like 1 into 1 by 4 inch only. Pipe diameter less than 2.5 inch. The slope should be 1 by 4 inch per foot minimum. Or 1:50 slope or 2% slope. So as per the standard, IPC I'm saying. So as per the standard your company is following or the country is following, accordingly the slope value has to be adjusted. So if you want, you can go for 1% slope, or if you want, you can go for 2% slope. Okay. Depends. So whether you are following IPC, like a 2% slope you have to provide, or if your company is following with 1% slope inside, you can follow 1%. IPC, a pipe diameter up to 2.5 inch, you should follow 2%. Otherwise, you have to go for 1%. In a lot of companies, they might be following 1% without any standard. But okay, so that is totally dependent. So I'm following this 1% for time being, just because the routing will be similar. No? I'm selecting slope down. Through the wall, I am taking it down. Okay, this is rise to floor only. Through the rise to floor, it should connect to the where you can go to the west elevation and you can see here is my floor trap. This one. Here it has to connect. This is rise to floor only. Okay, so let me go to the toilet finish to floor level. See, what's that? This is like with respect to ground floor now. With respect to ground floor toilet to finish to floor level. Let's say for time being, this end I am making -100 because just for my purpose, because I have to make a pipe from here with the 45 degree. So let me -100. Now I'm just going to the ground floor toilet to finish to floor level. Now this view I am making into wireframe, and after that I am selecting the pipe. Okay, just create similar and offset up with respect to the ground floor toilet to finish to floor level. I am providing there is -100. -100 if it is not there, let's say -100, because I have already provided that. Then you can click here. So automatically the pipe will start. Maintain the slope and make it like a 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree you can't extend like this, because if you are extending and connecting to the wash basin, that will come beyond the wash basin. Correct. So that for time being, I am stopping there. It should not come touch the water closet. Okay, so in that side, when we are connecting, it will be slope down. Just opposite side, that will be slope upside. No, I'm selecting this one. I'm just making a pipe from here, 50 mm inlet. Slope up only, just opposite side, slope up only. Now this one has to be connected there. Okay, so I'm selecting here, right click, drop pipe. You can't use 90 degree there. That's why we can use a 45 degree. So slope up only, then I'm making like this 45. Now we can connect it there. But before connecting it there, okay, both this has to be aligned perfectly. So that's why I'm making a section, inclined section from there with respect to this pipe so that I can witness this one. Then I'm going to align this. Okay, so just go to the section. And this is a pipe material I'm having. Okay, now align this. This has to be aligned here. Now you can go to the view. Now you can connect it. Trim and extend this one, connected now. That's why since the wash basin outlet is 32 mm, that's why this fitting is coming, because a floor trap inlet will be 2 inches only. So unused inlet you can, which one, cap it. I'm capping this one. Cap this one. Now you can take your pipe outside, select it, click here, slope down only. Slope down, 1% I am taking down. Now from here, this is just a toilet finished floor level only, 300 mm above the ground level. From here, it has to go down, then it has to connect here. Okay, so for time being, I'll be taking an offset of, let's say, minus 500, and I'll be maintaining like this 45 degree. Now, if you are going to the 3D, you can witness how the pipe is coming. Correct. So from the wash basin, it is coming to the nearest wall, then it is connecting to the floor trap, then through the floor trap, it is coming outside, and it is like this here. Here you can see. Now it has to connect here. But since this pipe is having slope, you can't directly simply try this one. Which one? Trim and extend to single element. It might be connecting sometimes, but even the unnecessary fittings will come there. Even if the offset you are adjusting, because at a particular point, the offset is very difficult to adjust now. So that's why inherit elevation you have to try, and just opposite you have to make a pipe from here. I will do that. 1 second. So just to create similar, and towards pipe is slope down, just opposite that is slope up only, because I have to align the pipe, then only perfectly I can connect it. So I'll be moving this pipe slightly this side. Okay. And after that, just create similar. Anyhow, clashes will not come because both these pipes are located at a different level only. But clashes we can try in the collaboration session or in the Navisworks also. So let me select slope upside, 1% is slope, inherit elevation, then only the proper elevation we will get by the clicking point. Select it like this. Now both this pipe you can connect and you can align it and you can join it. So let me go to the section. Now both this pipe has to be aligned. You have to align this like this, and you can go to the ground floor once again. Once again, just align this. You have to align this one and this one. This one and this one, this one. Okay. Now trim and extend. Join it. So this is the way the connection should come. Correct. So I have connected. Same way this one. So let me select a floor trap. I'll be placing the floor trap. Let's say if it is like this, it will be difficult to take it. One here I am placing. Okay. Copy with respect to this base point. This one. This one. This one. All the other spaces we have to place. Now this has to be connected there. Okay. So let me make this section. I'm just going to this section. Trap has to be provided. No. Okay. So trap has to be provided. Okay. So let me select the pipe like this. 32 mm DWE. Okay. Fine. Select 32 mm DWE. And the trap has to be loaded. No, just go to the system, piping fitting, trap is there. So make it like 32 mm. You can rotate it, and it should come in the opposite side. So I am just mirroring it. Now again, you can rotate it. Okay, with respect to this point, you have to rotate like this, 90 degrees. Now you can drag and place there. To align, I am just making a straight pipe. This pipe I am making just for alignment from the front side. Now you can go to the front side. This has to be aligned. So that fitting is not visible in this view. Yeah, but we can move that. Now align it. Now you can join it either from this view, or you can go to this section. Anyhow, automatic routing, this kind of connection will not come. So definitely drainage, manually you have to route. If you're taking this project and if you're finishing, you will be getting enough confidence to attend any kind of interview, because complicated routing we are doing. So lot of section. If your section, from which view you have to create the section? From which view you have to cut the section? If your sectional view or interpretation is proper, then you will get enough confidence to do the modeling. Quickly you can do it. Anyhow, let me make the pipe. This pipe I have applied slope, right? 1% slope down I have to provide. So let me select, right click, drop pipe, not slope up, slope down. Make it like down. Select the pipe with respect to the ground floor toilet to finished floor level. This end I need -100 for reference so that I can make it. Okay. Now I can go to the level. And let me select this one, rotate it using space bar, because 32 mm outlet, 3-inch outlet, I need it here only, then only I can take it there now. So let me select a pipe in the opposite side, slope upside. Now from the wash basin, it has to be connected in this pipe. Okay, if you want, you can move here as well. Exactly on the straight line, you can place it. So from here, straightly, I can connect to this inlet. But modeling, we can do that. In real scenario, that will be too difficult to get this alignment straight. Okay, so that's why I kept a slight offset. Either this side or this side, you can maintain it. Okay, so let me select the pipe, create similar. With respect to the ground floor toilet finished floor level, I need -100 mm since I have provided that. Now just click the pipe and slope down only. Let me take it like this and keep it like a 45. Keep it like this. Okay. Now this has to be aligned. Align this one. Trim and extend to corner. This one. Okay, connected. Right. Now you can cap it. Unused parts you can cap. Now from this point you can take a pipe outside. Okay. Slope down only. You can take it down from here. Okay. Now you can take the pipe outside down. It should go. Let's say for time being, I'll be taking this much. And we can align that later. I'm keeping like 45 degree. Okay. Select this pipe, create similar, slope upside, inherit elevation, move it. Now you can see it is catching. You can take that like this. Now just to go to the section. Okay. So you can align this one and this one. Just trim and extend. Align this, connected. Right. Second. Now this has to be connected there. So the third connection, make a section there. Okay. So wash basin, 32 mm. From the systems, piping, trap, piping, fitting, trap, it is, let's say 32 mm. Rotate this one, mirror it. Okay. And once again, you have to rotate that. With respect to that point, the 90 degree I'm rotating just to move it there. Make a small pipe. Instead of this which one? U-trap or P-trap, we can try for bottle trap as well. Now align this. So now we can connect it here. Now just select it, right click. Okay. From this point, right click, drop pipe, slope down only. You can take it down. Vending also we have to do from this point. Circuit vending we have to do there. Okay. Select this one. With respect to ground floor, toilet to finished floor level, this line I am making -100. So I'll be making -100. Now from that point, I should take a pipe. Okay. So let me select this one. Create similar. Okay. With respect to the ground floor, toilet to finished floor level, I'll be selecting -100. I'm clicking there. Slope down only, 1% fine. Keep it like a 45. Okay. Now I can connect it there now. So rotate it using spacebar. Take a pipe of 50 mm, slope upside in the opposite side. Align this. Okay.
Now you can align the section as well, side view. You can go to here, just align these two, trim and extend to corner, join these two pipes. Fine. Now unused points you can, it will be always good when you are connecting, because each individual toilet cubicles we need separate flow trap. Correct. So you can't avoid a floor trap with it, because the floor trap will be acting as a floor drain as well. You don't want to propose a separate floor drain. The floor trap grating will be acting as a floor drain as well. So that is mandatory. Even if you're not having a wash basin within the toilet cubicle, when the water that is accumulating on the floor level, you have to swipe it. So floor drain you can propose, but without floor trap cost is, because if you're not having any wash basin and all, it is not mandatory sometimes the floor trap. Then you can do one thing. We are having Nahani trap. Means a single floor drain with the Nahani trap that will come, that we can propose. So floor trap cost we can avoid. But if there is a wash basin, definitely a floor trap has to be proposed. Individual cubicle, separate floor trap. So accordingly only the wash, means this wash basin has to be connected here. This one you should not connect to here. It should be connected individually. So the maintenance will be, you see there. Right click, cap opponent. Anyhow, design classes separately we'll be studying it. It's a long topic now. So 80 mm outlet, that is slope down only, we'll be taking the pipe outside, and you can take it down, let's say like this, keep it there 45 degree. Now just select this pipe, create similar inherit elevation, slope upside. Okay, make it like this. Now you can go to the sectional view of this. Align both the pipe, this one, trim and extend, join it. Fine. Okay, now I'm just going to the north elevation. Before starting, this is my waist line. Sorry, yeah, waist line. I'll be splitting this pipe. And after that, I'll be selecting here. I'm making a pipe and I'm taking until the floor level. There I'm capping it, because I'll be providing a rodding eye there. Correct, like this. Any clashes is there? Normally clash will not come. If you are having clash, we can slightly check it, because I have offset accordingly I'm arranging. Can go to the collaborate. Under the collaborate, I'm selecting interference check if there is any clashes between pipe accessories and pipe fittings with the pipes. Click OK. There is anything we can avoid now. So no clashes. Okay. It may come later. Okay. So this is a way we are routing it. Still this has to be connected here. This has to be connected here. So even if this one, if you want to connect the connector, I can show. Accordingly, everything we have to cover. Okay, anyhow, for this session, I'll be finishing with this. Remaining we can discuss in the upcoming session.